How to view and print your Priceline itinerary. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step guide for that. So without any delay, let's just start right into the video. So for that, we may head over and go to a browser, any of the browser available. And once we head over to a browser, what we need to do is basically go ahead and look out for your Priceline. You may even download the application if you prefer. I'm just gonna use a website for now. And once we are headed over to the website, this is the particular official website of that thing. So you may open it up. And when we open it up, in the main interface page, we can directly look out for the option for Find My Trip, usually in the top right corner. So we may click on this. And there we'll be finding an option for view, print, or email your itinerary. So we just need to find this option and go ahead and click on it, which is this one right here. And once we click on it, we just need to go over and provide in our details here. So first of all, provide in your email address or your phone number that you used in order to book your flight, hotel, package, or rental cars. So you can just go over and do so. We can choose up a method for that, such as your email or even text, and just go over and enter it up. You can even choose your booking type, what you did, in order to go ahead and find your receipt. So for example, if you have done your hotel reservation, you can select hotel and click on this option called Find My Trip. And even you need to provide in your necessary phone number and confirm it up. You may just go over and do so. And once you enter it up, you will be basically going ahead and finding a specific trip that you need. You will be seeing option to view and print it up. So you can just go over and click on it and confirm it up and follow the on-screen prompts to print a physical copy or save the PDF. Once it is done, you can just go over and check your email. You can go to gmail.com for that and check out your email where you may be having your itinerary confirmation. You can check your inbox. If it is not on your inbox, you can go ahead and look out for your spam folder as well. And if you cannot find it, we can directly contact their Priceline support number for further assistance. We can look out for that and just go over and access, and that's it. So usually this is how we do it. We should be able to view and print our Priceline itinerary this way. So we hope this video was helpful, and sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.